How to quit your job and work full time online. Copyright Kiran Howard. All right reserved. No part of this course may be reproduced or transmitted in any form whatsoever, electronic or mechanical, including photocopying, recording, or by any information storage or retrieval system without expressed written dated and signed permission from the author. Table of content. Introduction and acknowledgement. 3. Part of 1. This foundation. 5. Ground record work. Beginner your online job. 5. 1. Developing the right mindset. 2. Choosing the lucrative niche. 3. Deciding on a topic you want to learn about. 5. Part 2. My system. 9. The 5 step to profit. 10. Step 1. Find the problem. 10. Step 2. Provide the solution. 11. Step 3. Get the proof. Step 4. Over the product. 13. Step receive the profit. 13. Part 3. My personal example. 14. Conclusion. 15. Resource tools. 16. The bonus I promise you. 117. Setting of your business. 17. Step 1. Clear out distraction from your work zone. 18. Step. Choose your domain name and register it. 18. Step 3. Hosting your account. 19. Step 5. Creating your email address. 19. Step 5. Install WordPress. Use soft closure or quick install. 19. Step 6. You need an account with PayPal. 19. 20. Step 7. Time to set up an account with Fiverr. 20. So let's go over the basis. 21. Point. So let's get started. Introduction and acknowledgement. First, first of all, I give complete credit to my mentor Ricky Van Dicky, who taught me everything I needed to bring my job online. Thank you, son. I am thrilled to finally say that I have learned to introduce my system for you create your first product online. I call it the 5 step to profit. Just a bit of background, I must also say that it's been quite the adventure considering that I went for teaching career of 35 years straight into internet marketing law. My mentorship this Dick Wing in late 2019, so I have been working online for 5 years. And within the last 3 years, I can clearly say I am making a living online. Following my initially mentorship, Drake asked me to join Digital Profit Academy. Of course, I did. It was the topping on my cake, and yes, you are welcome to use that link. Before moving forward, let me say this I have made this guide as simple as possible. The only fluff is made of this graphic. I could not help myself for adding them in because I think they help the mood. There is not a lot of details because you will be the one to fill that in. That is how each of you make our one unique and their three powerful. However, I have including a short report as a bonus. You will find it at the end of this guide. It is called setting of your business. I worth it to help with some of the basic details you will need of for your new job online. And please know that you may reach out to me of assistant and I will reply kiranworth@gmail.com. Email me. Kiranworth is escape me. Important. I want to state as you did this, please note it matter not if you're affiliate or want to create your one product. This guide reflect both pathway, whether you are looking for the right niche to work in or the correct product to get behind as an affiliate or vendor. The principle are the same. This guide is divided into three parts. Part 1, the foundation. The order for you succeed with my system, you will need to groundwork for a solid foundation from which your one position online will come. This groundwork, including acquiring a positive mindset, discovering your niche, and finding a hot topic within that niche. Part 2, my system. Once your foundation is prepared, you are ready to use the 5 steps to profit. All the tools you need to build the foundation and to implement my system are covered. I will give you exactly what you need to know and then do to bring your new job online and to create your first product. Follow my system, you will succeed because if you actually choose to take those steps, as I did the trick, you will love what you do and you will make money just as I do now. If you choose not to follow each step and instead scheme through it, well, your guess is as good as mine. Part 3, my personal example. This is my product creation story that I give to you as an example of how my system works. It, it is where the 5 step to profit was finally created. First, 3 one small matter to clear up. Getting your old job. As far as breaking from your current job in concerned, there are two ways I will mention: stop could turkey or do it gradually. With no other means of income, I took a huge risk and did it the first way. But you could certainly take the gradual method. If you have no other income to keep you afloat, it is highly advisable in my opinion. Whichever way you choose quit job, be it cold turkey or gradually method, you will need a new mindset for the challenge ahead. That is certain. Part 1, the foundation. Groundwork for beginning your online job. Three main aspects that will create a solid foundation for success. Here they are. Developing the right mindset. 2, choosing a lucrative niche. 3, deciding on a topic you want to learn about. If you are past their way, your business will be weak. Take the time for each one and your business online will rush with success. 1. Develop your mindset. I will use any analog for this one. Yep, it is that important. Everyone has a road to travel in life and it is just as true for you in the online marketing industry. I am fortunate to have had one of the best mentor online. Still, there have been a lot of bumper on my road and the solution to this obstacle continue to be positive mindset. I have discovered something powerful. Focus on the smooth part of the road and work on fixing the rogue area. Be the one in charge. People too often exclaim about rocks in the bed, thinking someone is out there out to get them. But when things are easy and running well, there is hardly even a smile or a single word acknowledging and smoothly or their journey. Get this, it is proven that it takes too few muscular to smile than to frown to show how did Bill get to mix it up. No need to dwell, but I will tell you this. As soon as realized that crazy imbalances, I know the only thing or for me was to move on. And so it is for you success is accomplished by making the commitment to focus what goods to the thankful, but do not ignore the rook spot. When things get hard and you feel like giving up, remember that positive mindset and move on. In time, you will see that it just gets better. That's be positive. I know it sounds easy and it is. Once you being, remember that song. Don't very be happy for Lion King. Well, I bet that you don't know this. My youngest son, Liberty, just told me today Hakon Martet actually means if you if you are prepared there are no barriers. So get prepared for your online career. First, your journey online will be successful once you make that commitment. And are you willing to work and preparedness? Importance. Prepare to help other. You bring help to yourself, and by bringing joy, you bring that on as well. Therefore, you needn't worry about money. It will come because in order to do what I just said, you need money to keep the cycle moving. Creating a new mindset requires continued work, especially when you are learning to smile rather than frown. Take it seriously. Will choose a lucrative niche. Begin searching the marketplace, but first here is a question for you. Does it matter which niche? Almost every marketing expert will not tell you no and that you can make money in any niche. Golf and dog training are primary example you will get from them. But think of this, those same marketers are making their money by selling you on a source about making money online. There are in a MMO make money online or I am internet marketing niche, not golf or dog training. And yet they tell you to follow what they do. How does that work? How does that make any sense? Frankly, frankly, I don't think it does, which is partly why I am writing this guide. And here is something else to think about. Whatever niche you choose, make it be one that has no monetary limit. Because what if you want to make a six-figure income eventually? Here is some math regarding that. Discard it if you aren't interested in a unlimited income. Affiliates, you will be looking for the product and markets that fit. If you write an ebook and doing training sells it for $95, how many would it take to make 100K a year? Six figure you would need to sell 10,000 ebooks. Future more if you wanted to scale off how many people would buy monthly membership at say $27 to $47 about dog training. What if you are wanted to sell a group coaching program for $397 plus to earn on at least 1 lakh $1,000 per year. You need a monthly income of $8,333, and to do that online you have go to solve some relay problem for some really live people desperate for a solution, folk who are willing to do almost anything to get it and get it fast. Sure, I can clearly say I have need solution to my dog training issue, but desperate, and even if you are found somehow, where do seriously think there are enough to get your six-figure income goal in place. Let's move on. The niche that will bring the most money to you or related to those marketing, there are the three most lucrative. Relationship health. Which do you choose? You can make money in any lucrative niche, whether video, tutorial, ebooks, audio, source, webinar, software, or service like email marketing and hosting providers, that is selling information. It is my opinion that the personal development niche is very lucrative, but for a wealthy, the internet marketing IM niche is by far the most profitable of any other online. That is why it is my focus. There are more people crowding through in the best gate to get into the IM niche than any others. There are the most desperate of online folks seeking a solution that will bring them the internet lifestyle they have heard to so much about. In time, you will be guide for these people, giving them what they need for success. If you continue with your first three decided on host topic. Once you have selected your niche, dive strategy into the marketplace, being researching your hot topic. Be certain your hot topic meet this guideline. One, passionate your desire to learn more about it. Two, particle you know you can work with it. Three, profitable your topic is selling in the marketplace. Four, proven it is a step by step method that work now and well into the future. Here are some places that are perfect for finding hot topic in your chosen niche and that you want to learn more about. Just be sure that the EPC or earning per click in high $1 or $2 or converting at 5% at least. Watch the refund rate as well. You want to choose those to be low. You may need to tone down to three topics and meet the guideline. Find out how much each is out after doing a Google search. One at time will give you a good indication. For example, list building will hand over plenty of site on the topic. Obviously, it is lucrative, just an example, remember. Don't worry about whether the topic you will like has too much competition. If it work for you, I say go for it. Beside, how many people are out there in these online worlds? Well, that's right. A zillion or more, so you will be fine. Part 2, My System. The 5 Step to Profit by Kiran Howard. An outline. Step 1, problem. Look at the problem you have had in your business. Look for a group of people in your niche, people who are desperate for a solution to one company problem, preferable one you have personally encountered. Step 2, provide the solution to get that problem once you develop or found along the way and apply to your one business. Step 3, give them the proof that you document and show them how it will clear off their problem. Step 4. Product offer the product that reflected the problem solution and proof launching it. Step 5. Step 5. Profit resolving the situation bring profit for them and for you. Who? Ho. More details. Step 1. Find the problem. Being with yourself, look at the challenge you have had in your experience online so far, problem that left you chained to clouded headspace. It could be something like having trouble creating a high converting squeeze page, creating a squeeze page in the first place, or how to get Facebook friends to your blog and then to your email list. If you are too new for that, don't worry, just continue on with this guide. Affiliates looks for the product that fulfill the problem you choose. Go to worryforms.com, become a member for $390 a month and started reading. The barrier forms is the place to go for advice. That is why you will finding all kinds of problems there. Plus, if you look deeply enough and take your time, you will see the most common problem that folk are having. Those are what you want. Just remember to settle on one that meet the forementioned guideline passionate, practical, profitable, proven. Steps to provide the solution. Affiliate watch for the product that will offer the best solution to the problem you have chosen. The barrier from the .com is a great place to find your solution to the problem you have selected. Check where products are sold for the popular solution like ClickBank, GBJU and Barrier Plus. Also Google your problem is switch page creation, but it in quotes you will be amazed at the amount of solution you find in the world of Google's. Once you settle on your solution, ask yourself if the solution you have selected standard of the same guideline as for the your chosen problem, passionate, vertical, profitable, proven. Too many markets thinks Hicks I will figure it out along it the way, and they take a shortcut to gallery. Glory also think this is true. Their failure of eventually the truth is discovered. To them, if it makes money, that is all that count. So the solution they find doesn't reflect a desire to help solve any one problem. And the worst of it is, no one has been helped there. The fake and feelings guideline and so-called solution leads of all themselves. Affiliates stay clear of this product owner. Remember, teach only what you know. Dicks Ben Dick, you do not have to be an expert to learn on the amazing solution. You just need to know more than the people you are teaching. Step 3. Get the proof. Once you have decided on the problem and your solution, being applying that solution to the problem and in your business. If you have decided on a problem with which you had no experience, new challenging pop off more and more now. Apply it to your business anyway, see if and how it works for you. Affiliates try the product before promoting. That's your proof. In any case, you can ask others to use your chosen solution in their business and then provide you their result, which can lead to testimonial. Screenshot and testimonial of conversion rate and financial success are undeniable proof. You can do an internal launch with selected GBS to help with getting that proof as well. Document all of your success because that will ensure your overall success. Remember this fact. People can be taken advantage of within the solution that is not honorable, but in time most will eventually see that there is no related no proof. But I think you are a person who take the time to document your proof with an integrity, otherwise you wouldn't be reading this. Therefore, you are easily able to provide the undeniable proof required because you are willing to learn and apply the solution to the problem. You are preparing to teach and to guide these disparate people. This best part is they will come back for your entire system. Step 4, offer the product. You have discovered a common problem that many people have. You have found the solution that solves that common problem. And you applied the solutions to your business. Perhaps you asked a select group to do the same in their business for you. Finally, you have documented your success finding giving you the proof required by the public. It is the undeniable proof people required before they buy. So what you know have is product ready to be offered to the public. It is product made of a problem, a solution, and the proof that the problem is solved by providing the solution you found. You are ready to launch your product. That is another guide, however. Step 5, receive the profit. Once your PayPal account is properly set up and realize that after everything you have done with great determination and passion, you are now ready to receive the profit that you and all involved so well desire. So pack your bag and get out of dog. Be humble and yet confident. Be ready for your next one. Part 3, my personal example. 4 years ago, I could not even create a Squeezy page, and back in then, Amazon Press was the method to use. However, that was problem. I couldn't use it easily, so asked my son Rick Van Dick to make them all for me. He got tried. He got tired of it pretty quick, as you can imagine. So here is what's printed. One day asked this question: What if what if a WordPress plugin could be made that could create a Squeezy page easily? Is that possible? I know that would be solution, so I partnered with the best programmer. No, new. Yes, fortunately for me, it was Drake Van Dickey. Boom, BP option was created. I had found the solution to my problem. And as it turned out, and many others shared in the same challenge. Here is a screenshot of the result to make 10 KB product for you. Today there are tons of page makers, too many to choose from. Ha ha ha. Of course, I love BP option. It is more sophisticated than other out there and the one I use. The fact is you can do this too. Just remember the mindset, the one where you just stop letting yourself fall apart when things go wrong. The one where you hold strong and give a half smile at the same time when all is just about right. At least it is up to each of you used to know when to move on. move on. So anyway, do you see what I did? I had a problem and came up with solution. 2. Then I provided the solution and immediately applied it in my business. 3. I gave the proof that it worked for me and would solve the same problem others have. 4. I offered my product through the message as a was 5 and made my profit. Wow. It was a great venture for me, and now, there 3 years later, I have created my system, the 5 step to profit, which culminated from that product launch. You may wonder why the hitch did it took so long. All I can say is life happenings. When you least expect it to arrive. Conclusion. This guide was divided into 3 parts. The first being the foundation where the initial groundwork was covered for creating that foundation. The including developing your new mindset, researching the marketplace for a lucrative niche and the hot topic within your niche. The second part was introduction to my system, call it the 5 step to profit. That include finding a common problem many folk have in your niche, providing the solution which solve the problem come next, applying it to your business and documenting your success and that your other testing if you for gave your proof required by the public. Finally, offering your product followed by the profit you receive from your work. I determined that the product is the result of the problem providing the solution and the proof that it work after applying it to your own business. The third party of this guide, I gave you one example of me doing exactly what I thought in my system, which is where the 5 step to profit came from. Now I leave you with these quotes. You simply need to help people achieve what they are already think to do. Rick, when you those who teach, or you also thought my quote. It means to be humble so that you may learn from others as you teach them. Always